everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry my steering wheel is like directly across my face. My car mount was only $6 on Amazon. So what do I expect? This vlog is going to be about getting ready for the holidays. And I have so much to do. This weekend is like the bulk of my holiday parties. So today I'm going grocery shopping for a holiday party that I suggested to host. They took me up on it, so I'm hosting. And now I'm going to get groceries for the food. I already planned out the menu. And yeah, I'm going to be vlogging this week on how I prep for the holidays. Okay, so I'm back from the grocery store. I have all of the stuff for dinner on Saturday, and then I decided that I'm going to be making a dessert, and I wanted to make a really simple one, so I'm gonna be making homemade turtles. So all I really need is caramel, chocolate, and pecans, so I'm gonna just try to make them, and I'll show you guys how it goes. So what I did was I just took a pecan, put it on a pan, cut the caramel in half, put it on top of the pecan, put it in the oven to broil for like 2 minutes max, and then it melts. And then I took melted chocolate chips mixed with a little bit of half and half cream, and I just put that on top after they came out of the oven, and this is what they look like. And I think that they turned out well. I'm gonna wait till this one completely hardens before I try it to make sure that it's good. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a really quick and easy way to make dessert, and it's not like buying something at the store. It's super simple.
Very nice.
Is it good?
Very nice. Very good.
Okay, so I feel like this vlog is pretty much just gonna be transitions of me going from appointment to appointment, getting ready for the holidays. So my next appointment is getting my hair done. I have crazy nasty roots, some horrible split ends, and I need a refresh. I need to get my roots done, and I'm so excited for this appointment. Michelle and Morgan are gonna be taking care of me today, and I'm so excited because I love just chatting with them and just kind of getting away and relaxing. It's currently 3:08. I'm rushing to my appointment because it starts at 3:15. But I ordered a Starbucks because it's going to be a long hair appointment. So I have to pick that up and then run to my appointment. Oh my God. I'm done my hair. I'm so happy with it because it's daylight savings time. It's so dark and you can't even see me. Whatever, honestly I'm over it. So the day doesn't end there. I have kind of an event tomorrow, a little Christmassy event, and my nails are so disgusting. I need to get them done. Plus I have a bunch of parties this weekend, so I have to get them done anyway. Might as well just do it now while I'm out and about. I made an appointment in 15 minutes, so I'm gonna rush there now. I'm probably not gonna film while I'm in there, and also it's so hectic. When I was on the phone they were yelling, so I am just going to go there now. I'll show you a before. My nails are so grown out, and because it's a darker color you can really see how nasty they are, and plus they grew really long, so I ended up cutting them and now they're all jagged and gross. So I'm gonna go fix that, and I think I'm gonna do a sparkly shimmery color for the holiday parties and stuff like that. So I'm gonna catch you guys after I get my nails done, and I'm going to show you the after. It's Friday night and I am all cozied up in my comfy Christmas PJs. I am hosting tomorrow, so I gotta get everything into gear. I gotta start decorating for the holidays. We have our Christmas tree up, but it's not lit or decorated yet. I just bought these, actually, let me show you. I just bought these really awesome lights from IKEA for $10, and they have a battery pack, so I can put them in the garland. Oh, sorry, my light. I can put them in the garland on the banister, which is so exciting. So I just made that wreath up there, which was so much fun. I love doing this stuff, and now I'm going to build up this garland and put some lights in it and some bows and stuff like that.